Good. Can you turn off the car for me? Please? Alright, I need you to step out of the vehicle. Yes, turn off the car. Yep. Nasty now. Find your exact location.
Subject is on the phone. Just we speak with somebody.
2-2, he's on the phone at this time.
Yeah. Confirm, he's on the phone. Apparently, it looks like he's on the phone.
The subject is currently on the phone at 356.
You wanna go? Watch your muzzle. Sir, get out of the car right now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car right now! Get out of the car! Get out of the car right now! I don't see it.
He's right next to him in the passenger. Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Okay.
Someone break that window open.
Find out.
Hey! Oh, got it!
I'm safe.
Get the gun!
Just take the gun out. Get it away from him. I don't care if you put it on the ground.
You guys going?
Rudy, what chick?
I got you. Keep eyes.
Watch your muzzle.
Got eyes. He's just on the phone.
Put your hands up!
Get out of the
Put
car!
your hands up!
Get out of the car right now! You got hands on him?
Put your hands up!
Get out of the car!
Is there a rifle in there?
Yeah, he's fired. Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
There's a gun right on this passenger side. Okay. Someone break that window open.
Hey!